Melt in the mouth, succulent, thick beef patty, topped with cheese and jalapenos, a flavorful kick of spicy burger sauce, some caramelized onions on top, and all of this loaded onto a toasted bun. This is my secret recipe to the ultimate juicy beef burgers. I don't know about others, but this for sure is finger-licking good.
If you like this recipe, then don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification by clicking the bell icon.
We'll start with the star of this recipe, the juicy beef patty. I have taken half kg minced beef here. This is 80% lean and 20% fat. This lean versus fat ratio is very important to get the juiciest burgers, as this 20% fat keeps the patty moist and works as a binding agent. Now we'll start adding the seasonings. I have first added salt in it, which will be according to your taste. Then I've added 1 tablespoon of fresh coarsely ground black pepper, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Now mix everything really well with your hand until it's well combined. Once done, let this mixture marinate for about an hour. After an hour, we'll divide this marinated mixture into the patties according to our desired size and thickness. Since the patty will shrink a bit in the cooking process, so we'll make the patty slightly larger in size than the bun. I'm using large size bun, so I have divided this mixture into the 4 patties. But if you're using medium or small size buns, then you can easily make 5 to 6 patties out of this mixture. To make the patties, we'll first make a ball and then we'll press the mixture with our hands and spread it like this. And stuff it with some jalapeno slices and some cheese or any stuffing of your choice. You can stuff it with just cheese or cheese and mushroom, or can skip it altogether if you want. Now we'll bring the meat around the stuffing to cover it. And pat it with our hands to flatten it and give the shape of a patty like this. Make sure to bind it really well with your hands to keep it in shape and avoid falling apart later on. Once done, refrigerate these for 15 minutes to get them nice and firm. To fry these patties, heat a grill pan over medium heat and add some oil on top. Once the oil is nice and hot, fry these patties on medium heat for 4 to 5 minutes each side. Since these are thick patties, so I'm going to fry these for 4 to 5 minutes each side. But if you're making thin patties, then 2 to 3 minutes each side will be enough. Once done from both sides, we'll put a cheese slice on top of the patty and reduce the heat to low and cover the pan and let it cook like this for a minute or till the cheese on top melts. Once done, we'll take it out of the pan and let it rest for 3 to 4 minutes. Let's make some caramelized onions. I have taken a medium-sized onion and I'm going to thinly slice this. Now I have taken a pan on medium-low heat and I've added 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter and 1 teaspoon of oil in it so that the butter doesn't get burned. Once it starts melting, we'll add sliced onion in it. Then we will add 1 heaped teaspoon of brown sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of salt in it, which will help to draw out all the moisture of the onions. Now we will saute the onions on medium-low heat, stirring it occasionally. We will let these cook on low heat until they are very soft and turn golden brown in color. This whole process can take up to 15 to 20 minutes to get to this color. But don't rush, as slow and slow is the key to get the perfectly caramelized onion. The onions are done now. As you guys can see, they are perfectly caramelized now. Let's make the burger sauce now. For the burger sauce, I have added half a cup of mayonnaise in a blender. Then we will add 4 to 6 slices of pickled jalapenos in it. 1 tablespoon of chili garlic sauce. Half teaspoon of paprika powder. Half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. 2 fresh or dried red Thai chilies. And 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Now we'll blend it really well to make a thick paste of it. The burger sauce is ready now. Let's assemble the burger now. We will be needing some lettuce leaves, some pickled jalapeno slices, caramelized onions, and if you want to make it more cheesy, then you can top it with an extra slice of cheese. We'll first toast the bun over a skillet. You can add some butter to make it more crispy. We'll first add some burger sauce on both sides of the bun. To add some crunch, we'll add lettuce leaves. Then we'll add fully cooked and well-rested beef patty. Some caramelized onions on the other side of the bun. Top your cheesy beef patty with some extra burger sauce. Pickled jalapeno slices for some extra kick. And drizzle some barbecue sauce on top for the charcoal flavor. And cover it with the other side of the bun. And your perfect, melt in the mouth, succulent, thick beef burger is ready now. Serve it with some onion rings, veggies or fries or any side of your choice, and enjoy this delicious, irresistible beef burger at the comfort of your home. Do try this recipe and let me know your feedback in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.